Hi friends, let's get ready for a group. Let's take 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Let's push our hands together. Let's pull hands apart. Okay, let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's take 3 more deep breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, show me that you're ready to work. Hi friends, for today's group we're going to be doing a nature scavenger hunt. For our nature scavenger hunt, we're going to need to find a flower, water, tree, spider web, sand or dirt, bug, brown leaf, butterfly, rocks, green leaf, grass, bird, cloud, ant, tree bark, and a fern. I found a flower. It's a rose. What color is it? It is red. There's another one that's open. Look friends, I found water from my water hose. And this is my peach tree, and it has baby peaches that are still growing. You can see. So there, I found my tree. Okay, so I found a flower, water, a tree. Let's go find spider web, sand or dirt, and a bug. Friends, I found a spider web in some of my bushes. Look, you can see it. I found some dirt. There's some dirt there. Dirt. I found a bug. Let's go look for a brown leaf, a butterfly, and rocks. Look friends, I found a brown leaf. And you can see that I have some more here in my yard. I found some rocks. You can see rocks in my yard. Found a green leaf, you can see still attached. Found a brown leaf. Didn't find a butterfly. I found rocks. And I found a green leaf. Let's go find grass, bird, and some clouds. See, my yard has green grass. See any clouds, friends? Found grass, bird. I didn't find any clouds. Let's go look for an ant, a tree bark, and a fern. See it? Okay, here's a tree bark. Let's go find a fern. Found a fern. This is a fern plant. Look at how the leaves come out. Didn't find a cloud. I found an ant. I found a tree bark. And I found a fern. Let's practice boom cards, baby shark counting 1 through 10. How many fish can baby shark see? Let's count the fish. There's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fish can baby fish see? He can see 9. How many fish can baby shark see? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fish can baby shark see? 10. How many fish can baby sharks see? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He can see 8. How many fish can baby sharks see? 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish. How many fish can baby sharks see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. How many fish can baby sharks see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fish can baby sharks see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fish can baby sharks see? 1, 2. What color is this? Blue. What color is this one? Red. Good job, friends. How many fish can baby sharks see? Can you see 3 fish? No. How about 1 fish? That's right. When you're out places, friends, you need to read the signs. What does it say? Please keep your distance from the koi. Touching and feeding the fish, putting your hands in the water, adding fish to the pond, or tampering with equipment will harm them.